Eartec Ultralite PRO16 Review 2025 Hands-Free Headset that fixes communication chaos. Ever feel stuck yelling across a job site, fumbling with unreliable walkie-talkies, or wasting precious minutes repeating the same instructions? It's frustrating, overwhelming, and honestly exhausting when tools you rely on keep letting you down. Missed cues, muffled audio, and dropped connections not only waste time, but also kill motivation, leaving you scrambling instead of focusing on what matters most. Then the real pain sets in, deadlines creeping closer, stress piling higher, and burnout whispering louder with every miscommunication. One missed call turns into costly errors, while shouting over noise drowns out clarity. Opportunities slip, productivity plummets, and your team suffers. Without reliable communication, even simple projects feel like uphill battles, leaving you drained, frustrated, and desperate for something better. That's where the Eartec Ultralite PRO16 ETP2S upgraded 2025 swoops in like a lifesaver. Built for pros who demand crystal-clear coordination, this wireless intercom system delivers true full duplex hands-free communication. Talk and listen naturally, just like a real conversation, no clunky push-to-talk nonsense. Running on 2.4 GHz interference-free tech, it gives you a rock-solid connection with up to half-mile line-of-sight range. Imagine setting up stage lights while casually chatting with your crew. No yelling, no delays, just smooth teamwork. The lightweight single-ear design keeps you aware of your surroundings, while the auto-mute boom mic flips up to silence instantly. With 10-hour battery life, a multi-port charger, and rugged build quality, you can power through an entire shift without worry. Expansion is effortless. Scale from 2 users up to 16 with 2 talk channels for private group chats. Mini story. A stage manager shared that during a chaotic festival load-in, these headsets literally saved the day, keeping her crew in sync when radios failed. The benefits hit differently with the Ultralite PRO16. Suddenly workflows feel streamlined, focus sharpens, and performance reaches new levels. No more fumbling with clunky radios, just effortless conversation, even in high-stress environments. Experts back it up. A construction safety consultant raved about the noise-canceling mic that cuts through machinery roar, calling it a game-changer for on-site safety. An event production influencer praised the freedom of hands-free cues during 12-hour shifts, saying, "Battery life and clarity never let us down." Industry analysts highlight how Eartec fills the sweet spot between cheap consumer gear and costly broadcast systems, offering pro-level reliability without the hassle. Real users echo the hype. One film crew said it transformed set communication, while a warehouse foreman shared that accidents dropped once his team switched to the PRO16. From outdoor hunting to stage rigging, from stadium security to family projects, people are raving about how this system adapts to every scenario. And here's the kicker. You're not just buying headsets. You're unlocking smoother teamwork, reduced stress, and a serious productivity boost. Isn't it time your communication tools worked as hard as you do? Don't wait. Stock is limited, and teams everywhere are snatching up the Ultralite PRO16 upgraded 2025. Secure yours today before you're left shouting in frustration while others enjoy seamless communication. Join thousands who've already upgraded their workflow, boosted safety, and streamlined projects. Act now, seize this chance, and experience the power of full duplex freedom. Your team deserves better, so give them the clarity, comfort, and confidence that only the PRO16 delivers.